It was great. Go back.
This mysterious Saturday. Cosmic music.
What's up, everybody? It is Matt from Electric All Wheel. We are here with Brad from Tarpon Tom's. Again, we did the wired cruiser.
Yeah.
Put the AllScapes on it. What'd you think?
They're awesome tires. They should wear out, way longer, take way longer to wear out than these old knobby tires if you're staying on pavement.
So we got some more.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we need to do it to both the wired bikes because, I don't want that offset.
Can't have one without the other.
For sure. When you do finally ride this, I want it to be right for you.
Right. Yeah.
Also with a dual battery.
Yeah. Full voltage.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
So we're going to put some flat out in here as well. And we really appreciate Dan reaching out to us. The AllScapes are where it's at. We will leave a link to all the products in the description below. We really appreciate your support, Brad. I really thank you for letting me come in here and do this thing. It's awesome. If you need any kind of e-bike repair, check out Tarpon Tom's e-bikes in Palm Harbor, Florida. They got it going on. Brad knows what's up. E-scooters as well, and you can bring in your unicycle, and if he can't do it, we know somebody that can. Shout out to Rob. If you haven't already, give us a like and subscribe on YouTube. It is our primary, and if you're in the area, check out E-Bikes of Tampa Bay, Florida. Get in that Facebook group, make an event, and go for a ride with your e-bike friends. We really appreciate all your support with Electric All Wheel Store. It allows us to keep doing this kind of cool stuff. Here we go. You gotta do things? It's awful. You're top tier in my eyes, Wes. So I'm unscrewing this. On the other side is the nut. So you got to make sure that you get that out and around. You got to get this out and around the dropout here. All the newer ones, I think they're no longer really using the conventional dropout, so that's going to change, or is changed. Don't lose your cap. Get your valve stem removal tool. Don't let it blow all the way out. Get a hold of that bad boy. And then I'm going to remove my tube. There we go. Knives.
What?
Knife. A knife?
Oh, yeah. Next to the scissors. It's funny you said that like that. I used to have a boy that I rode BMX with back in the day. Weird like that. He used to sit. He'd be like, I need a leg hitter or a knife, or I'd be like, dude, just say it.
Say what it is.
Just say the right word. I just tie it. Where's the charging thing?
Yeah. Skinny ones go to the charging
This is
port.
it. All right.
And then there's these plugs.
All right.
That you might use or
Yeah.
whatever.
All right.
Oh,
Matt, we're about to do some custom stuff here.
yeah? What are y'all doing? Is it a 36?
Yeah, we just bought him another one because he didn't really want to go the violent route. So we just got him one that'll take him a little longer. It's 25 amp hours.
Some block. It fits, right? It fit in
Yeah.
the casing?
Should.
Yeah.
We'll test that out right now when I get this off.
So when I put in flat out, what I've noticed is, especially with Brad doing it, is that sometimes it clumps right here, and he has to like blow it out. Anyway.
Yeah. Oh, that's why. Did you shake it up first? The bag?
Yeah. I listen, and then suddenly I'm gonna regret that. Okay, here we go. Already. There we go. Got a good flow. Oh, it happened again. Come on.
Blowout.
No whammies.
So.
What do you got? Is it?
Yeah.
Come on. Is it?
Believe so.
What?
What are you up to right now?
What am I up to? What are you up to?
You causing trouble, bro?
Did anybody ever ask you? That's one battery thrown in.
Yeah. So we're gonna take those 3 out and just put that one in.
Always wearing the same thing.
He's like, oh, man, you one of these in our store. Oh, I know we did. Better talk to the boss, see what he said.
So give this a little bit of form.
Whoa.
Everybody calm down.
All right. All right. Yeah.
I can't. Yeah. Party in 10, 9, 8, 7. Y'all be safe. Everybody be good. Ciao. So by the rules of Brad, you find the silver or the wall lettering on one side if it's one side only, and that is where you put your valve stem. There we go.
It's not the rule, Brad. That's the rule.
It's just the rule. Is that the rule that you live by as well?
Yeah.
All right. And then it's brake side, left side, and then lettering is on the drive side. So voila. Let's see.
Okay.
Like that. And then make sure that your valve goes through the rim.
You got, you're on your way, Playboy.
Bro.
You can do your own bike work.
All the time.
How about that?
You don't even know. You don't even know.
Oh, no.
So I'm just checking out this line right here. and then seeing that it's equidistant around the sidewall of the tire to the rim, the edge of the rim, and then checking both sides as I do it. So the inflation rate, max PSI, is 30 on this tire set, so that's what we're going to run up to. We're going to get it full, especially on the new tire install. So right now I'm going to use this fancy tool that Wes was talking about, and it's pretty awesome. And they got a good enough compressor. With this handset, I can get up 30 pounds and just watch the dial. And I'm looking one more time around. Everything looks like it's seated well. All right. And I'm just tightening this quick release. Yep. So go ahead and get your motor wire loose. Yeah. This thing is a tank, bro.
Yeah.
It's a Cadillac compared to one I used to have. This company is hard to get parts for.
Add motor?
Of
Yeah.
course, I guess they all are.
They're notorious, I'm sure.
You guys don't need me, I can see that. There you go. Thank you, my friends.
Yeah, no problem.
Talk to you later.
All right.
Don't get none on you.
Ooh, this thing. Yeah. Yeah. So now we're just gonna take the valve out.
Yeah, that's Trek's usually pretty good about. I used to work at Trek, and they're pretty good about that. Yeah. How do you like that thing? You got
My,
yeah.
It's awesome.
No, I was gonna get it like when I worked down there, but
Did you work at the one down on
Clearwater, yeah.
I like Trek. I have some mountain bikes.
Yeah.
Got their badass electric rail.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Did you see the new Slash they made?
Yeah.
The electric Slash, yeah. That's sick. But I guess it's not a Bosch motor.
Really?
Yeah, I guess it's a different motor, yeah. Yeah, the rail's sick. I had my wife one of those. Yeah.
Cool. This looks good.
Yeah.
And
it fits the theme too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's
There actually.
This is a pretty good fit. And it does flip into your system.
It doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Over the end.
It's not.
And squeeze. Hopefully it goes a lot smoother than the last one. There are less clumps. Please and thank you.
What's the
Yeah.
Is there a name for that specific mounting system?
I'm not positive, but
Get some air in this thing, so we give it form, then we're blowing out the flat out that's inside it as well.
this basil basket for 150.
Right, let's go ahead and get this valve
160.
stem in.
All right. Yep.
The valve core into the valve
Sorry.
stem. That's what we're
Got
after.
a little bit of a
Let me see.
wicker on it, so I don't know.
Let me see. What you got?
So get some air in this tube.
Okay, we'll do it for 140.
All right.
So the valve down the middle of the lettering.
Yeah. I was surprised how good that
Lettering
worked
side,
out.
if there's only one side with letters on it, it goes on the drive side. Make sure your valve gets seated through the rim.
Yeah. Yeah. It definitely it looks good. Yeah. Yeah, definitely looks good. The soundings are always nice though. Yeah. Yeah.
Now we're just gonna give this
Yeah. So
a
we
little
have
more air to get it some
we have
form,
one that's the same,
and then we're gonna
but it
make sure
has
the
the
tire's
crappy
seated.
disc brakes on it, like the little.
Actually, the old ones had mechanical.
Yeah. And it's the same thing. It's like tan, but the rest of it's burgundy. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So there's a bulge right here.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, maybe he did right though.
And then I can see another one coming out on the other side.
Yeah, no problem.
That. Good.
I can't believe Wawa sold me this fruit.
Why?
It looks like it's half wine already.
What's your favorite?
Yeah.
I'm going up to 30 pounds. Full thin. Wanted to go over this orientation, black washer inside, and then the locking washer that goes into the dropouts based on the orientation of the wire. Here, I know that this is the bottom, and then it shoots this way up to the connection cable. So this will be the bottom. Turn this around, so this is on there like that. And then on the drive side, so on the drive side, after it gets into the dropouts, it's this washer and then the nut. And on brake side, it is the lock washer for the dropout and then the nut. All right, get this around the chain, pull that derailleur so you can get into the dropouts. Watch your brake side. And then on this one, I'm going to put the washer on and the nut. These are called, like these dropouts, like I noticed, right? They're really convenient. They're nice because when you got something heavy like this,
Yeah, it helps just run that washer
just
in there like
holding
that.
it.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Otherwise, you got to do bike shop yoga.
Yeah. I'm
Where
very
it's like
thankful for that.
where it's like this.
Yes, I tried. So my automatic inclination when I do this is that, oh man, it's not centered, it's not right, but it has to be because of the way they designed it.
Right.
So that's what's happening mentally for me. So these have the arrows too, so when you're looking at them to plug them in, just make sure that's the right way. The female threads are here on the bike side and then the wheel side, so you'll know which way to turn these two to get them off. And zip tie. We have successfully, I did this.
Matt did this all on his
I
own.
installed them.
I didn't even have to coach him.
He did. I would just cut it out. I edited it out of the video before you could see it. AllScapes. We put the AllScapes on here. Do you like these? I am in love with them.
It's a nice looking tire.
Right? And then here's the Kenda, right? And
Yeah.
I think like the tread pattern on this is a lot beefier. The thickness, you can tell, just the weight of the tire itself. And they're easy to get. They ship pretty fast, so it was good stuff.
It's definitely an upgrade.
For sure. Same color on the lettering side. So the only thing that's the downfall on these is they don't have the lettering on both sides.
Well,
is that typical?
Yeah, a lot of tires are like
okay.
that.
All right. I'll shut up about it. You've ridden the Freedom before, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think this is a good ad for the bike?
Yeah, it definitely, as fast as it goes, it helps not having the flimsy material there.
Yeah, you just want something beefier, even if it's a slight psychological effect. Well, we appreciate the silent coaching. Yeah. By the way, thanks for your support with all the electric all-wheel stuff. We really appreciate you guys purchasing from the store. It helps us keep this going, and that's invaluable to electric all-wheel as we move forward. So thank you very much. If you guys haven't already, give us a like and subscribe on YouTube. It is our primary, and if you're in the area, check out E-Bikes of Tampa Bay, Florida. Get in that Facebook group, make an event, and go for a ride with your friends. And if you need some serious e-bike repair, come to Tarpon Tom's, right?
Tarpon Tom.
Wes and Brad are here, so they will take care of you. We'll talk to you next time.